A mechanical lift is used for various reasons, often for when a patient is not able to weight bear on their feet or support their own weight. It is required at PTCC that 2 healthcare workers assist with the mechanical lift. Before you start the transfer, make sure you have explained the process to your patient and have your environment set up, including the chair you're transferring to. You'll also need to have the right side sling for your patient. With the patient in a supine position, the provider will place the sling underneath them, either by rolling them from side to side, as shown in the video, or by asking or assisting them in leaning forward and tucking the sling behind them. Try to line up the center of the sling with the middle of their back. Make sure to smooth out any folds or wrinkles in the sling. Ask or assist the patient to lift their leg one at a time and place the long, slender parts of the sling under their legs, keeping it close to their bottom. It is important you loop one strap through the other to support the patient properly. The 2 providers must communicate with each other when hooking up the sling straps to make sure they are hooked up evenly. Make sure to tell the patient to cross their arms and not to touch the sling. With one provider supporting the patient in the sling, the other provider can begin to slowly lift the patient using the mechanical lift by pressing the up arrow. Just after the patient is lifted off the bed, pause to ensure the patient has settled safely into the sling. Begin moving the patient slowly until they are positioned over the chair. Start to slowly lower the patient into the chair by pressing the down arrow, with one person guiding the patient with the available handles on the sling. Once the patient is seated, you can unhook the sling from the lift. To remove the sling, ask the patient or assist them to lift their legs one at a time again, and then to lean forward to remove the sling. Reposition the patient in the chair if needed after. Ensure you plug in the mechanical lift once you are finished using it to charge.